Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the front cigarette lighter fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always guys test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So for the front cigarette lighter, you may need to check up to 2 different fuses. We will demonstrate on that generation here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. It should work for both. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today we'll work in 2. The first one is on the passenger side. Open the door. Once you do that, look under the dash. On the bottom of the glove box, when you see under the dash, you see one carpet liner underneath there that attaches with 2 turning knobs. Remove them, unscrew them. Underneath you will find the interior fuse box that looks like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the front cigarette lighter fuse, where you can expect to find it. There is one here and there is one more in a different fuse box. Next to each fuse you have a number that indicates that fuse number, and that's in the top right corner of every fuse. The fuse that you need to check here is fuse number 61. That's one of the front cigarette lighter fuses that you will need to check. Another one, you need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. You guys have a fuse box under this cover. Once you open it, that's a fuse box here. Here you will need to check one more fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 15. This 20 amp fuse right here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.